Hi students, so this lecture for BBA second sem. I hope all of you saw the earlier lecture, so which is done on issue of shares are at par values. Okay, I hope all of you understand that problems which we solved. So in this lecture also we will take one more problem on the issue of shares at par values. Okay, so there are only what is the things, only six entries are there, and these six entries you have to know that. Okay, so it's very easy to pass, and on this it will come for 5 marks. Okay, so it's very important, but you should know that which are those entries are there. So, okay, you have to buy that entries. Okay, so now see the problem number 2. Bharat Company Limited issued 10,000 equity shares of rupees 50 each. The amount was payable as follows: A rupees 5 on application, rupees 10 on allotment, rupees 15 on first call, rupees 20 on final call. All the shares were subscribed and money duly received. Past journal entries in the books of company. Okay, so it means what? This Bharat Company Limited is there, and this Bharat Company Limited is issuing how many shares? 10,000 equity shares. Okay, and the each share price is rupees 50. So now this 50, this Bharat Company, how they are going to collect this 50? Okay, and so this 50 is bifurcated into 4 calls. Okay, so first A is rupees 5, they will receive first of all 5, next will be the 10, next first call will be the 15, and second call will be the final call will be rupees 20. Like this they will receive rupees 50 from the public. Okay, so now how to pass the journal entries for this application? Rupees 5 on application, for this purpose 2 entries. Okay, so this for rupees allotment purpose, rupees 10 on allotment, for this transaction there are 2 entries are there, and for rupees 15 on first call, for this purpose 2 entries, and 20 on final call, rupees 2 entries. Okay, so you should know that which are those entries. Okay, so now see first for this application purpose how to pass the journal entries. So first of all you have to draw the format like this: date column, particular column, LF column, debit column, and the credit amount column. Okay, so now first of all see related to the what's application money. Okay, so how to pass the journal entries: bank account debit rupees 50,000 to equity share application account credit rupees 50,000. Okay, so being application money received on 10,000 shares at rupees 5 per shares. Actually there want to rupees 5, but it is by mistake it is done rupees 2. Okay, so 5 we have to write there. Okay, so 10,000 into 5, it will be rupees 50,000. Okay, so like this we have to pass. And the one more related that applications, one more entry you have to pass: equity share application account debit to equity share capital account credit rupees 50,000. Okay, equity share application account debit to equity share capital account credit rupees 50,000. Okay, so narration will be the being application money transferred to share capital account. Okay, like this you have to write the narration. Next, related to the B, which is related to the allotment. Okay, related to the allotment, entry number 3. So how to pass that: the equity share allotment account debit rupees 1 lakh to equity share capital account credit rupees 1 lakh. Okay, so what will be the narration? Being allotment money due on 10,000 shares at rupees 10 per shares. Okay, so this 10,000 into 10 is rupees 1 lakh will come. Okay, so next, bank account debit to equity share allotment account credit rupees 1 lakh. Okay, so being allotment money received. Okay, so like this you have to pass the journal entries related to the what's the allotment. Okay, so now for the first call money purpose. Okay, for the first call money, the transaction number 5th, first call they are receiving rupees 15. Okay, so equity share first call account debit rupees 1 lakh 15,000 to equity share application account credit rupees 1 lakh 50,000. Okay, so being first call money due on 1,000 shares at rupees 15 per shares. Okay, so here also 1000 shares are given. Actually here it should be the 10,000. Okay, so next one more transaction is related to the first call. Bank account debit rupees 1,50,000 to equity share first call account credit rupees 1,50,000. Okay, being first call money received. Okay, so like this you have to pass the journal entries related to the first call. Okay, so now one more is there which is related to the final call. And so what's the final call? Rupees 20 rupees they are receiving. Each share price is each share rupees 20. Okay, so equity share final call account debit rupees 2 lakh to equity share capital account credit rupees 2 lakh, being final call money due on on 10,000 shares at rupees 20 each. Okay, so like this you have to pass the journal entries related to the final call. Okay, so next last transactions which is related to the final call. So bank account debit to bank account debit rupees 2 lakh to equity share capital account credit rupees 2 lakh, being final call money received. Okay, so like this you have to pass the journal entries related to the issue of shares at par values. Okay, so these six entries you should know, and these two entries for the application, two entries for the allotment, and remaining two entries are related to the first call, means for the call. Okay, that may be the first call or that may be the second call or that may be the final call. Both the entries should be the same. Okay, only figure will be the change because they are receiving call, no, so in a different rates. So that's why the figures only the change. Otherwise for the first call, second call and the third call the entries will be the same. Okay, so I hope you will be the understand, and if you not understand you can contact me. Okay, so thank you.